That PNF file is a precompiled setup information cache. Windows has preprocessed the driver installation data to speed up future device setup and recognition. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage or troubleshoot these Windows driver cache files. Don't close the guide if the PNF file doesn't open right away. We have an unconventional, high success rate method designed for deep format errors. PNF files are precompiled versions of INF driver setup information files cached by Windows for faster device driver installation. They contain parsed and indexed driver installation data that Windows reads more quickly than raw INF text files during plug-and-play device detection. Windows PNF files use a binary compiled format, storing parsed INF section, data registry modification instructions, file copy commands, and device identification strings. They are generated automatically by Windows from INF source files and cached in the DriverStore directory. The preferred application for managing the PNF file is Microsoft Windows from Microsoft Corporation. Native Windows utilities may fail to correctly allocate memory for the file's execution. Windows treats the files as uneditable for safety, preserving system integrity. We need to identify a functional opener, right-click the PNF file and choose Open With. Prioritize Microsoft Windows if it shows up. If it is not there, choose any other application, the right one is out there. When a PNF file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. We just proved the problem is deeper. Quickly perform these 3 diagnostic actions to find the source of the error. First, understanding PNF files. PNF files are system-managed cache files that do not require user interaction. Windows creates them automatically when processing INF driver files. They reside in C, Windows NF alongside their source INF files, and in the DriverStore for installed driver packages. Next, clearing driver cache. If driver installations fail due to corrupted PNF files, you can safely delete PNF files from C, Windows NF, as Windows will regenerate them. Use the pnputil command line tool to manage the DriverStore and clean up outdated driver packages, including their PNF caches. Finally, troubleshooting driver issues. If a device fails to install properly, the PNF cache may be outdated. Delete the specific PNF file corresponding to the problematic INF driver file and retry device installation. Windows will recompile the INF to PNF during the next installation attempt. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.